This is the install of the Mercedes V-Class style 2024-25 dash. It's a fully integrated Android system, and everything is really simple and easy to use. Wiring it up is just ISO fixes. There are some wiring controls that need to be done for steering wheel to have function. As you can see, I have full function of the steering wheel, which isn't too hard. It probably would take about 2 to 3 hours to install it properly and make all the wiring neat. You will need to make sure you reroute the heater tubes on the vents behind, and also make sure that you don't have any wiring up against them on them because of the heat. So just make sure you sort of cable tie your wiring out the way one side. But I'd say this is a 3-hour install, and that's all working, functioning. I have put the aerial, I've put in between the plastics here, and GPS is just up underneath the dashboard here. Everything else on it is pretty self-explanatory. You will have to wire in a microphone so your hands-free's compatible. GPS works off the GPS that's plugged in. You will have to buy a SIM card for that. Failing the SIM card option, maybe it's not compatible, maybe it doesn't work in your country, so you can tether straight from your phone to give this full internet. So you'd go into settings, Wi-Fi, you would then use the hotspot from your phone, and that will appear just here and it will connect automatically. Then you get full use of everything.